Hi, hello everybody. My name is Antonio ICND2 Jr. and MCITP, MCTS, Sales and Business Specialist for Small and Medium Businesses, and a newly Cisco Certified Network Technician. Now, the topic that I will share with you is about configuring RIP routing in a network. We have a laboratory here, 5.2, Chapter 5, configuring RIP routing on a network. So I have a packet tracer here, which is very helpful. We will configure this scenario. In packet tracer we have three routers and three PC and three switches connected in every routers. Now from the scenario, in order to reach the network that are not directly connected, additional entries needed in the IP routing table. These entries could be configured by the network administrator or learned dynamically from other routers. RIP or routing information protocol can be configured to allow routers to exchange information and learn about remote networks. So through configuring RIP, we will notice how these routers exchange information and other remote networks. Okay, this lab have an objective. First, we will configure RIP on routers. It's three routers. We will verify the configuration. Yes, we will do that. Then we will examine the RIP parameters on every routers, router 1, 2 and 3. Then we will check the connectivity by issuing command ping if they will replied it or not. Echo request and echo reply, that is the purpose of ping. Examine the IP routing tables and every routers. Okay, now there is a task 1, configure RIP on routers. We will do that. Step 1, enter the go global configuration mode. Okay, we will check that packet tracer. Okay, and router 1 we will check if there is an existing directly connected routes. Enable show IP interface brief. Okay, there is show IP route, show IP route, show IP route. Okay, from here we have two directly connected routes. Network 192.168.1.0/24, which is the class pool. Network 192.168.2.0 network. There are two directly connected networks. And router 2 we will check if there is an existing. We will see. Enable show IP route. Yeah, there is three directly connected routes. Network 192.168.2.0/24, network 192.168.3.0, network 192.168.4 network. So there are three directly connected routes and router 2. We will check router 3. Enable show IP route. Okay, we have two directly connected routes, network 192.168.4 and network 192.168.5.0. Okay, there are two. Okay, now based on the scenario, we will save. We will make a configuration first. Configure RIP. Enter the router configuration mode. This is command router RIP. Router 1. Router RIP. Router configuration mode. Configure terminal. Router router space question mark. What are the available commands? Okay, so once we are configuring RIP, so we will use RIP, configuring RIP. Okay, that's it. Configure RIP. Network, we will use a command network space question mark. So network interface ABCD, this is the network. So network 192.168.1.0, network 192.168.2. okay, we will the same thing again by issuing 1.0, then save the configuration. So we will do that in the remaining routers. Enable configure terminal, then we will issue a command router RIP network 192.168.2.0. we will have 3 network here, so we will issue also a 3 network 2.3 and network 4. okay, router 3, configure terminal, we will issue a command router RIP network, which network that we will configure. okay, 192.168.4.0 network 192.168.5.0. okay, and then we will issue a copy running command to save. Copy running start up. okay, save now, it's already saved. Router 2, same thing, we will issue a command save configuration and copy running start up. Router 1, we will issue a command start copy running copy start up config, copy running config start up. okay, we have done now the save the configuration by issuing a command copy running startup config. okay, step 4, configure routers 2 and 3. Repeats step 1 through and 3 for the other 2 remaining routers using information in the data above. Now we will verify the configuration. First, we will examine the RIP parameters. To examine the parameters in router 1, we will issue a command show router RIP. What command we will issue? Show router RIP, show IP protocol, show IP protocols. We will issue a command show IP protocols. So from here, router RIP sending updates every 30 seconds by default. So distance, the administrative distance is 20. Network, we have 2 network here, 192.168.1 and 192.168.2. Gateway is 192.168.2 and the administrative distance is 120. Last update is 9 seconds. Okay, then we check router 2, show protocols, show IP protocols. Okay, that's it. Router RIP, yes, is configured. Router RIP sending updates 30 seconds, same, but the routing for the network is network 192.168.2, 3 and 4. Administrative distance by default is 120. Okay, we will check again this router 3, show IP protocols. Okay, now router RIP was configured successfully. Routing protocol is RIP, sending updates every 30 seconds. There are 2 networks, 192.168.4, 192.168.5, so administrative distance is 120. Okay, we have done this verifying the RIP parameters, examine the IP routing table, we have done that. Then we will check the connectivity, verify the connectivity by ping from each PC to other PCs. Okay, we will look if this is successful it or not. PC config, okay, IP config slash all. Okay, we will ping network which is belong in router 2. We will ping PC2. We're in PC1. We will ping PC2 and 3. Ping 192.168.3.10. Okay, it's replied. We will ping PC3, which is belongs to network 5 192.168.5.10. Okay, it's replied. We will check again this PC3 if this PC3 connected to or can communicate with PC1, PC3. Okay, we will check PC3. PC3 ipconfig slash all. We'll make issue and ping PC1, ping 192.168.1.10. Okay, replied. We will ping PC2, so we will network 3. Okay, replied. Let's communicate it now. Okay, we will have back to the scenario. From the scenario, checking the connectivity, verify the connectivity by pinging from HPC. Now we have done this all. We will make it sure if our configuration in this lab is successful it or not by checking reset or check the result. Check the result. Okay, the activity results shown. Congratulations, so it's successful. We will click the assessment items tab. These are the assessment items that we have done. Router 1 we configured successfully, router 2 and router 3. So the completed items is 7, so we have completed it all. Time elapsed is 15 minutes and 12 seconds. Okay, thank you very much, and I hope you learn about this configuring RIP in a network. Have a good day.